Hello, my love. Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over Jasmy. So Jasmy right now, we are trading at 0.02178. Market cap, we are at 1.08 billion. Volume, we're at 154. We are up for 24 hours 134%. So let's take a look at our daily time frame here. So Jasmy itself again is just surging along with Bitcoin, along with other altcoins. So just please keep that in mind here. Yes, we saw this surge here in terms of volume for Jasmy. We are still considered as overbought territory when we take a look at the RSI here for 75%. If we kind of scroll over, we can see there are a lot of areas where Jasmy has reached above this before retracing into a correction area. But for the immediate short term here at the beginning or the end of September, it has seen as high as the 76% in both these peaks. So we are roughly around 75%. There could be that 1% push to it. Who knows? But I do want you guys to take a look at the characteristics of our two moving averages that I'm using. I've got the 20 moving average and then the 50 moving average. So yes, we see a surge in Jasmy. However, we have our smaller moving average below our larger moving average. And again, whenever we see these cross, it is considered as a death cross, and it does show us that bearish trend. So that being said here, in order for Jasmy to continue this push here, we do need our moving averages to kind of cross over once again. And we kind of see it a little bit over here where we see these two lines kind of converging together and ultimately possibly give us that golden cross. Obviously the difference between the death cross here, but with the 20 moving average moving above the 50. And once we have that completed here, we're going to see several bullish indicators itself kind of confirming that itself. So if we take a look at the characteristics here of our candle, again, the candle hasn't closed yet, but the activity so far that we could see ultimately is a lot of body, a lot of activity happening at the very bottom. So a lot of people are probably profiting, and always keep that in mind. People may be profiting at this area here, especially when we take a look at Jasmy coming down and making a lot of lower wicks. So essentially here, the key thing is we are most likely going to see our two moving averages converge in the next 1 or 2 days. I want to say give it 3 days here to actually see them cross over. And our immediate support here we are going to be using is the 50%, or just slightly underneath it. We're going to be using this dollar amount as a good area of support. We can see it dated back through the summertime. Back in August, it was treated as resistance turned into support. So we are most likely going to see this test as a natural correction here at 0.02019. So that's 0.02019 is going to be our natural correction on it downwards. If we're able to hit this and use it as an area of support, our next target is going to be 0.02322. So those are my targets here for us to kind of monitor. But most importantly, again, is seeing those moving averages collide together and give us that golden cross itself. But let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in, showing me the love and the support. I really appreciate it. And then also your comments down below as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.